Yeah, there's the analogy that people talk about how coaching and mindset work can be just like fitness, where, you've got to work out extra hard to get to your goal weight. But then once you hit your goal weight, you can't just stop and expect to stay there, right? And that's kind of what you're describing with it. I don't want to go backwards. But what I may suggest for you is I think that we're going to get you strong enough to where this is naturally who you are. And you don't have to have a fear of going backwards afterwards, right? But what you're going to want to choose to do is to go up even another level.
Mm,
And that's that word evolve, right? We're constantly evolving and expecting and wanting more out of ourselves. And so you will be able to master this level. And then you're like, now I want the next level. And that's what humans are made for. We're made to want more. We're made to grow and develop. And you have just blossomed. And I love it. And so I would reframe, I don't want to backslide, to I want to keep going.
thank you for the
Right.
reminder.
And this is what we do, right?
What we do.